What you're going to see, you'll see about 110,000 square feet of a beautiful, safe, highly productive facility. I have never seen a plant like we have here in Ensenada.
Each and every fixture that we create is a unique piece of artwork. They are such beautifully handcrafted products, and we are very proud of that because that's what makes us different from other manufacturers. In our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, safety, quality, and on-time delivery are our top priorities. Our quality control starts from the moment our materials arrive at the dock. We have a large inventory of extrusions and sheet metal for products, brackets, and components. Once an order is received, raw materials are taken from these racks into our machining area, where they are transformed into fixture components and housings. Our products are precision engineered to your exact specifications, all with our full line of bending, laser cutting, and other robust machining processes. Our lenses are also laser cut to size for our moon ring products, enabling a beautiful, light leak-free installation. Each ring is cold rolled into shape by hand utilizing our custom rollers. And our hand-brushed aluminum process provides a contemporary industrial look. We've made rings over 30 foot in diameter, along with custom sizes and shapes. Once finished in the machining area, extrusions and other parts are then transported to the ALW paint shop, our state-of-the-art powder coating facility. Keeping the painting process in-house allows us to quickly switch between our 17 standard powder coat finishes as well as other custom colors. All this while maintaining our complete quality control. Once the powder coat is applied, the products are brought into one of our large ovens where the finish is cured at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. A new addition to our product portfolio is our harmonic collection of acoustic solutions. We're able to cut our premium PET panels to size with creative shapes, logos, and text. While fixture housings and components are being machined and painted, each LED driver is programmed to your desired output. LED boards are attached to heat sinks to prepare for final assembly. Each is tested and approved during this stage. From there, all of these components move to one of our 22 assembly lines, where our team of highly skilled craftspeople bring your design to life. Our modular assembly lines can accommodate even the most complex configurations, which is how we're able to ship your products in 4 to 6 weeks or less. During our rigorous quality control process, your luminaires are fully assembled, illuminated, and inspected to ensure you receive the highest quality of product. We take photos and videos of each fixture in operation to give you peace of mind. Once each fixture has been inspected and certified, it is then packed for shipping. Each box is carefully labeled and organized onto pallets for shipment for a contractor-friendly experience. Find your inspiration today at alwusa.com.